Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to mute players in CS2. Let's get started. There are two ways to mute players. The first method lets you mute individual players. Join any match. Then open the scoreboard. Right-click anywhere on the scoreboard. Now click on the player you want to mute. You'll see a speaker icon. Click it once to completely mute that player. You can also click and hold the speaker icon. Then drag it up or down to increase or decrease that player's voice volume. The second method lets you mute multiple players. Open Settings. Go to Game. Then open Communication. If you only want to mute the enemy team, set Mute Enemy Team to Yes. If you want to mute everyone except your friends, find Mute All Communications. Then choose Always or Only in non-competitive modes. Select the option that works best for you. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.